What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. On today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into Elegoo's wood PLA in teak wood / medium brown. So one of the things I do like about this is the fact that it comes in a cardboard spool. It has nice, very easy to open pull tabs to get the filament itself open. And now we got it open. As you can see, it's this rich, obviously wood color. This type of filament has wood grain or wood flour in it up to a certain percentage. But as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll see you back here for the benchy. All right, so if you're new here, we always start out by printing a benchy in generic filament settings in the slicer of our choice, in which case, this case, it's generic PLA in Bamboo Studio. Should take a little over an hour to get that printed, all up and ready. So we're going to do that, get all the test prints done, and I'll see you back here. And here they are. So like I said, we always start out with that generic benchy. As you can see, it's this nice, pretty good, except for some minor defects there at the front of the benchy. But overall, I'd say pretty all right. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. This is printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed in spiral Voss mode. Some artifacting, but overall, I'd say pretty good beyond that. Next up, we had the temperature tower. And the temp tower, I think for the best one for this one, was right at 200 degrees. Very little globbing, no real spikes, or no real string on the spike there. Next up, we had the retraction test. Retraction test performed okay. There was quite a bit of stringiness there, so just something to be on the lookout for. Next up, we had the max volumetric speed test. This performed very well at 20 millimeters per second cubed. There was a little bit of warping when I got it off the build plate. I kind of took it off too hot, but other than that, that's fine. Next up, we have the overhang test. So the overhang test did fail right at about 60 degrees. It's pretty common, it happens, so just consider enabling supports a little bit earlier. Next up, we had got those things dialed in and reprinted that benchy. For whatever reason, the bow of this still had some issues of the boat. So other than that, it looks fine. So I bought this off Amazon originally, but you can pick this up over at the Elegoo website. At time of filming, Amazon didn't have it, so for less than 19 bucks. My overall thoughts are, like, for this one, I think it's pretty good if you're looking for a nice brown color. Have some issues and concerns about the defects that I couldn't figure out what was causing them. But overall, I'd say pretty good, especially if you're needing this color. Anyway, that's been Elegoo's PLA or wood PLA in teak wood / medium brown. I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Hope to see you back here for the next full review. Thanks.